Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, Show Me's World. Today I am making one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, sweet corn chicken soup. It's cozy, quick and just perfect for when you want something warm and delicious in the winters. So let's get started. So here's what I'm using for today. About half a pound of boneless chicken breast, 1 can of cream-style sweet corn, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a pinch of sugar, salt to taste, and of course some water for the broth. Taking the 2 eggs and beating them until they are smooth and frothy. I'm keeping them aside for later. Now I'm heating up the pot and pouring in about 4 cups of water. I'm adding the boneless chicken breast and some salt to taste and letting everything boil. The chicken is cooking and the water is slowly turning into a nice flavorful broth. I'm letting it boil for around 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is cooked completely. Now I'm taking the cooked chicken out of the pot and shredding it into thin pieces while the broth is continuing to simmer gently in the pot. Now I'm mixing 2 tablespoons of corn flour with a 1/4 cup of water to make a smooth slurry, and I'm pouring the slurry into the hot broth and stirring continuously so that the soup starts thickening nicely. Now, once the broth is thickening, I'm slowly pouring in the beaten eggs while stirring in one direction to create soft, silky egg ribbons. Now, I will be adding the shredded chicken back into the pot and letting it simmer. I'm slowly stirring it so that the pieces spread out evenly. I'm watching them soak up in that flavorful broth. The soup is already smelling amazing and everything is coming together nicely. Next, I'm opening the can of cream-style sweet corn and adding the corn into the pot, giving it a good stir, mixing the corn and the chicken so they blend into the broth. The soup is now turning thicker, creamier, and it's getting that classic sweet corn chicken soup texture. I'm continuing to mix everything well, making sure nothing sticks to the bottom and every spoonful is loaded with chicken and sweet corn. Finally, I'm adding a pinch of sugar, letting it dissolve and then adjusting the salt. I'm giving the soup one final mix so that the flavors come together perfectly. Now I'm serving the soup hot, creamy, comforting and so satisfying. This is becoming the easiest quick recipe I'm making in just 10 minutes and it always turns out amazing. If you're enjoying recipes like this, I'm asking you to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Show Me's World. See you in the next recipe. Bye-bye.